is my little brother George. This is Mommy Pig. And this is Daddy Pig.
Tell me the story. What's the story?
This is wait. Hello, I'm Peppa Pig. This is my little brother George. This is Mommy Pig, and this is Daddy Pig.
What's the story about the shirt?
Washing. Daddy, what's that shirt? It's my football shirt. Daddy's playing the football display. But first, I have to go to work. Bye. See you soon. Bye, Daddy Pig. Poor Daddy. Won't make him to go to work. Poor Daddy. Come on, let's play. Yes, let's play. Mommy, we splashed Daddy's football shirt with mud. Don't worry, just wash it. And Daddy will know it was ever muddy. Come on, let's put more to put in the machine. Oh, my dress is a bit muddy. Very good, George. We put the clothes in here, and then we put it on. Splash, 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 splash. Oh, Peppa, what's your dress? I'm washing it. What? Oh, no. Look, Mommy, my red dress is all nice and clean. Yes, Peppa, but look what's done to everything else. Oh, dear. Paper stretches make white clothes pink. Pink is a lovely color. Daddy is home from work. Hello. Hi, Daddy Pig. We're gonna to go now. Can I play football now? No. What's my football? Hey, don't be silly, Pepper. It's Mama's clothes. It's pink. No, Daddy. It's your football shirt. It got something wrong. Sorry, Daddy. But I can work a picture. You're Daddy's friend. Mr. Bull, Mr. Rabbit, and Mr. Zebra. Hello. Hi. But you have a white shirt. Just take off your jacket. Say, fantastic. Hello, everyone. Hi, Mr. Bull. Hi, Daddy Pig. Come on, let's play football. Yay! Daddy, you make your dress muddy. It's okay. My dress doesn't have to be muddy.
Very good. Very good.